Welcome to Section 1, Introduction to AWS. We will be covering what the expectations are in the exam blueprint. We will also be covering the AWS brief history and a 10,000-foot overview, including global infrastructure and the services that AWS currently provides. We will start by having a quick installation and setup video. Some prerequisites for the course: you need an SSH terminal that can be on a Mac, Linux, or Windows environment. You need to sign up for an AWS free tier account, which we can find at https://aws.amazon.com/free. And now let's go and actually explore a bit more this webpage. I have now gone to the AWS free tier webpage. And as we can see, we are going to get 12 months free for certain services, and some services are always free. So let's actually go and see which ones are in 12 months free. So we were going to have 750 hours of Amazon EC2 per month, and we're going to be able to use T2 micros in this course. We're going to have 5 gigabytes of standard storage for Amazon as free for the first 12 months. Also, another important topic for the exam is Amazon RDS, and we will get hands-on experience with it. We're going to look at Amazon CloudFront as well as elastic load balancing, and you need to remember that elastic load balancing is going to come at a separate cost, but for the specific free tier, we should not have to worry about it. Then we will look at Amazon EBS, Elastic Cache, Trusted Advisor, and we can see we have Amazon Connect. And if we now go up, and we can see which are the always free products. You can see we have Amazon Glacier, 1 million free requests per month for AWS Lambda, 25 gigabytes for DynamoDB, as well as 1 million Amazon SNS messages, and 1 million Amazon SQS requests. What I recommend is for you to go back from time to time and check which services are free and which not, because Amazon are always introducing new services, and they're making a few services included in the free tier. Some of them will always be free for a certain amount, and other ones are going to be available at no extra charge for the first 12 months. But at the same time, you have to remember there are limitations imposed to each type of services. It is a good practice to come back to this AWS free webpage from time to time and verify which services are free or which services are included in the free tier, not only because it's going to help keep your costs very low, but also because AWS are always introducing new services, so it's always a good idea to see which ones you can experiment for free and keep your costs at a minimum. Now let's actually go and see the sign up webpage. For security reasons, we are not going to actually create an account together, but what you will need is your email and mobile number, as well as your credit or debit card to be able to sign up for your AWS account. AWS have made it quite easy to set up your AWS account, and you will get an email from them once it has been set up. And now let's actually go back to the video for continuing our installation and setup. Some optional tools for this course include the PyCharm Community Edition IDE for Python, and you can download it at the following webpage. So www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. And we can see then the Community Edition is supported for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. And you can just go here and download it. Then, a domain name is not required for the course, but if you want to follow the Route 53 section that we're going to do later on, you can get a domain name, or you can watch the videos, but you have to remember that the domain name is going to cost you extra. This is not going to be included in the free tier account. For Windows users, you will have to install PuTTY or putty.exe, as well as PuTTYgen, to be able to log into your EC2 instances. And for Mac users, you'll find your terminal by going Command Space and searching for Terminal, or by going to Finder, Applications, Utilities, and Terminal. Join me in the next one. Setting expectations and the exam blueprint.